Namaskar dosto. Today is 17th Jan 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan. This is my weekly wrap video on Bank Nifty where we'll discuss Bank Nifty and possible trade on Bank Nifty for the coming week. So when we look into Bank Nifty weekly chart, we see that Bank Nifty is in uptrend. It is above 8, above 20, above 200 and above 50-day moving average. Interesting point to be note here is that 200-day moving average is above 50-day moving average. So it means that it is not very stretch as compared to Nifty, where you will see that 50-day moving average is above 200. Now, if we look for a Bank Nifty levels for the coming week, we have a resistance for the Bank Nifty on weekly basis at 32,927. Then 32,788. Pivot for the week is 32,553 and the support at 32,510 and 32,371. So current closing is below the weekly support of 32,371. So it means that Bank Nifty is at one corner of the week. Now when we look into daily chart, here we have a interesting thing. So what has happened in last week is that we had a one first red bar on Monday. Then we had a strong comeback on Tuesday and Wednesday. Then on Thursday we had a very good bearish bar which had a follow up on Friday. But interesting thing which happened on Friday was that the closing of Friday is above low of 13th Jan by almost 50 60 points. So very close. So we had a one bearish bar, we had a follow up, and now Monday is very critical to decide in which direction Bank Nifty is going. On 15-minute chart, if you see, Bank Nifty is below 50, below 20, just taken a support at 8-day and just about 200-day moving average. Excuse me. So on daily basis, it is uncertain. Now on 15-minute chart, it is kind of uncertain. So now when we look into daily pivot for Bank Nifty, the daily pivot for Bank Nifty is at 32,343, 32,343, which is above the Friday closing. Yeah. And L3 and L4 is at 32,175, which is this line, and 32,036, 2036. So for Monday, what could happen? On Monday, we had a reasonably decent HDFC Bank results. So depending upon Monday, I guess I will maintain my buy on dip strategy. If Bank Nifty for any reason comes in this rectangle and take a support at 32 1 or closer to 32,1965, and if you see a price reversal from here, there is a very good positional play for a target of 32,900 for a Bank Nifty for the coming week, because there is a strong bull market and buy on dip is still the right strategy. It's always good to be a defensive trader. So that is the plan for Monday. I will take either of one trade, either Nifty or Bank Nifty. But if for any reason we get this trade situation, then there is a fantastic entry for a positional play. And I will take some position entry if I get a chance to enter in this area. Another thing which could happen is that Bank Nifty gaps up and takes a support at pivot and start moving up. So this could also be a very strong entry, because then you have respected 200-day moving average, and you can have a positional stop loss below 200-day moving average and take a target for 32,927. So for tomorrow, the bank nifty target is 32,600, 592, somewhere here. 32,600, just above the 50-day moving average. Yes, so that's the plan for my bank nifty. If you think that this discussion has added some value to your trade setup or trading idea, then please give me your like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give me your comment. Is your love which makes me to come back here again. So thank you very much again, and Jai Hind. Stay healthy.